Guys, you have to put the tomatoes in. And then the blender. Mix. And it needs to be boiled for a few minutes. It needs to be boiled. Now for the tamarind, we're gonna do the tamarind thing. 1 scoop. I put in here. Guys, and the oil needs to become up. So we're gonna put the tamarind water. And mix it softly. And then put some curry leaves. Spread them out. And then put 1 pinch of salt. 3 pinches of salt. And need to be boiled. Guys, it need to be boiled for a few minutes, and it will come like this. It need to boil like in this texture. If this texture comes, we're gonna take it out. And now I'm gonna take it out and put it in the bowl. Guys, after that we're gonna put some coriander leaf decoration. And this is how it looks like, guys. The rasam. How to make rasam. Next we're gonna make sweet sour fish. So guys, we're gonna do the sweet sour fish. So we're gonna put some flour, the fish, the corn flour, the seeds, and salt, and the caramel powder, and mix it with your hand. Mix it thoroughly, and need to be thoroughly mixed. Fried. And we have to fry it. So guys, we're gonna do a frying. So we're frying the fish, and we put some oil in. Now we're gonna fry the fish. This fish. So guys, it needs to be brown here, and need to be crispier, and need to be boiled like a few minutes, not a few minutes, like 30 minutes, and need to be crispy. So guys, it needs to be in this stage, and we can take it out. So guys, we're gonna do the sweet sour fish. We already done frying. Now we're gonna do the sour. So first, guys, we have to put some onions. We're gonna put the mustard seeds, cumin seeds. And then we're gonna put some onions, garlic, tomatoes, chilies. After that, we're gonna put some onions, curry leaves, tomatoes. They need to be brownish. Guys, we're gonna put the garlic and ginger paste. 3 big spoons. We're gonna put the chili paste, dry chili, 2 scoops, 2 scoops, and pour some water in and mix. And we're gonna put the chili, soft chili. And mix. Then we're gonna put the soy sauce. Just a little bit and mix. A few minutes later, we're gonna put the fish. Before that, we're gonna put some salt. 2 pinch of salt. And brown sugar. Two pinches of brown sugar. And mix. So guys, in this stage, we have to put the pepper in and we have to put the fish. And now we're gonna put the fish. Mix it. And to be boiled, then we can take it out. So guys, this is it. This is how you make rasam and sweet sour fish, the Irish fish, shark. It looks so delicious. It's so good. It smells so good, guys. So guys, if If you know how to make it, please do it. And please subscribe and like. We will see you guys next time. Bye.